Tired of generic website forms that fail to capture the information you actually need? Let's transform your Odoo website into a lead-generating machine by building completely custom forms. First, navigate to your Odoo website and enter Edit Mode from the Building Blocks menu on the left. Drag and drop the form block onto your page where you want your form to appear. Now, let's craft the perfect form. Click on the form block and open the customization options. Here you can add various input fields like text boxes, email fields, drop-down menus, and more, tailoring the form to your exact data collection needs. Click on each field to configure its properties. Give each field a clear label, add a placeholder text to guide users, and specify whether the field is required. This ensures you get the right information every time. Time for some smart validation within each field's settings. You can define validation rules. For example, ensure an email field only accepts valid email addresses, or limit the number of characters in a text field. This keeps your data clean and accurate. Now for the magic: connecting your form to your Odoo database. In the Forms options, specify the Odoo model where you want the submitted data to be stored. Map each form field to its corresponding field in the model, linking your website form directly to your Odoo backend. Finally, let's make it look good. Odoo's website builder allows you to customize the appearance of your form to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and button styles to create a visually appealing and engaging experience for your website visitors. And that's it. You've now created a custom form perfectly tailored to your data collection needs, seamlessly integrated with your Odoo database, and styled to match your brand. Start collecting valuable data and supercharge your website today.